We're going to do today, start a little short series on some science toys that we found on Amazon, and hope it works out, fingers crossed. You might see something that you like. So the first one we're going to do is a total throwback. In fact, I think all of the little science toys that we're doing for this series were throwbacks from my childhood, so they've been around a while. This one is the original Magic Rocks, and you're supposed to be able to grow your own crystals. It says, Instant Crystal Growing Kit. And that's about it. And the little jar doesn't come with it. I mean, you gotta put it in anything. I'm gonna grow mine in a wine glass. And what are the ingredients that we need, if anything? Well, we'll have to open it up and see, won't we? Okay, so we got our package open. This is supposed to be your little crystals that you'll grow. 1, 2, 3, 4. I guess you could probably break those in half, get more than 4. Here's the juice. Magic solution. Sorry, it's magic solution. It's not juice. And then here are my stickers that I'm going to decorate my wine glass / aquarium with. Instructions. Oh God. How long is this going to take? Uh-oh. If you really like them, they've got mugs and t-shirts and hoodies and all kinds of merch. So cover your work surface with wax paper or plastic wrap or aluminum foil. Okay. I've got some aluminum foil or parchment paper. Be right back. Okay, so I've got my parchment paper here. I scared the cat to death. All right, put that there. It says break or cut large rocks into approximately 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch pieces. Divide the rocks into equal multicolored groups. Okay, so here we go. What I'm going to do real quick is I'm going to adjust the camera to make sure the camera goes right in on our magic rocks so we can see if they grow. It's supposed to happen instantly, so we'll see. Okay, so we're going to put our magic rocks in, and you can break them up just as I thought. And the rocks themselves, before they grow into the crystals, they feel a little bit chalky. Get them as close to the edge as possible so at least you can see some growth if it happens. And then let's see, it says, with scissors, snip off a corner from the magic solution package and carefully pour the contents into the glass mixing cup, not included. Of course not. Okay, then add 12 ounces of water. Oh, it's got to be warm water, guys. And stir thoroughly with the end of a paintbrush or a similar item. All right, so we're going to go get some warm water. We're going to put our magic solution in the water, and then we'll come back and see what happens. Okay, so we're back, and we have our warm water here that's going to go into our clear container to create the magic rocks. I've put the magic solution in there, which looks a lot like, just looks like clear Caro corn syrup. Don't let your kids, if they're little ones, you don't want to let them play around with that. They may end up getting it into their mouth or their eyes, and that can be very dangerous. So now it says, carefully pour the mixture into the growing jar. Mixture should be approximately 1/4 inch from the top of the jar. Use the paintbrush to separate any rocks that may have moved. Do not stick your fingers in the solution, which tells me I'm going to have to go wash my hands pretty quickly. All right, so here we go. Let's see what happens. Okay, so we're back, and what do we think about the magic rocks? I like it. I think it's fun. I think it's a really cute, creative way to teach kids about how crystals are made and about chemical reactions between liquids and solids. It's not necessarily a toy. For example, it's not something I'm going to roll across or build or anything like that, or shoot into the air and fly. Not that kind of toy. But it is a cute way to illustrate science to children. It only runs $5 or $6 on Amazon, so it's also a really inexpensive way. So if you're homeschooling or something like that, or your kids have a project, a really simple project that they need to turn in for school, this is a great inexpensive way to do it. So with that said, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Click the like button, the subscribe button. Don't forget to click the little bell icon. I will give you a little heads up. We are going to be doing the grow your own, I want to say triceps, triatops. It's on point with sea monkeys. So remember back in the day when we were kids and all we wanted were sea monkeys to grow our own little sea monkey village from the back of comic books, like the Richie Rich comic books or Archie and Jughead. So we hope to see you then, and don't forget, let me try it before you buy it. Bye!